यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्मसंसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे. Our Supreme Lord भगवान श्री स्वामीनारायण, वरतालवासी श्री हरिकृष्ण महाराज, श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण देव, the King of सूरत सत्संग समाज श्री नारायण मुनि देव, the head of वरताल डायोसिस आर आचार्य महाराज श्री परम पूज्य धर्म धुरंधर 1008 आचार्य श्री राकेश प्रसाद जी महाराज श्री, present in our assembly 108 our लालजी महाराज श्री, सौरभ प्रसाद जी महाराज श्री, as well as the orator श्री पूज्य हरिप्रकाश दास जी स्वामी, my guru the कोठारी of श्री स्वामीनारायण टेम्पल खंभात धाम, परम पूज्य शास्त्री स्वामी श्री वेदांत वल्लभ दास जी स्वामी, as equal to my guru आर कोठारी स्वामी श्री परम पूज्य शास्त्री स्वामी श्री पुरुषोत्तम प्रकाश दास जी स्वामी, present here all the respected saints and you all the devoted followers of Shriji Maharaj. A very warm Jai Shri Swaminarayan to everyone. Dear devotees, the only reason behind the establishment of this Swaminarayan Sampradaya by Bhagwan Shri Swaminarayan was to ensure the ultimate liberation of all living beings, Sarva Jiva Hitavaha, and to help us to achieve that. Shriji Maharaj gave us many spiritual means. In that, one of them was the celebration of festivals, the tradition of festivals. Shriji Maharaj states in the third Vachanamrut of Gadada Pratham chapter, the festivals which we celebrate together are very, very special. If anyone in that festival, even if they have committed many of the sins, if that soul reminds the events, the organization, the Lalji Maharaj, the saints, the devotees, the temple, Shriji Maharaj says that that soul becomes eligible to go to the Akshardham. Dear devotees, the story behind the celebration of this divine Shakotsav, we all know properly. At the request of Sura Khachar, Shriji Maharaj went to Loya and Shriji Maharaj stayed till 2 months in the Loya. Maharaj held daily assemblies. Many of the Leela Charitras Shriji Maharaj did in the Loya. As Swamiji said in their Katha, once upon a time a poor farmer brought some brinjals, best brinjals for Shriji Maharaj, but he felt very shy to give to Maharaj in front of everyone, in front of the assembly. So he sat in a corner. Shriji Maharaj knew very well. So Maharaj called that Bhagat forward and Maharaj said, Bhagat, what have you brought for me? Bhagat replied, Maharaj, nothing else but these are some of the brinjals. By looking towards that, by looking the brinjals, Shriji Maharaj became very happy. Right then Maharaj decided to celebrate the festival with brinjals. Shriji Maharaj ordered Sura Khachar to buy more brinjals from other farmers and told, I will prepare this brinjal stew myself and feed everyone. Dear devotees, with just one brinjal, Shriji Maharaj changed the life of many farmers, but he also gave a very expensive gift, the Akshardham, to all the people who ate the stew, who ate the shak of this Shakotsav. I won't take much time. The glory of this Shakotsav is so wonderful, but in the conclusion, I would like to pray in the lotus feet of Shri Narayan Muni Dev, Khambatvasi Shri Jabreshwar Hari Krishna Maharaj, to bless all the devotees who gave their time, who gave their efforts, and who gave their wealth to shine this divine Shakotsav. Thank you. Jai Shri Swaminarayan.